Hi everyone. So today the topic that I have chosen is Palm Jumeirah, and we are going to explore the project management challenges that were faced by the engineers during the development of this project, which is Palm Jumeirah in Dubai. So Palm Jumeirah, let's look forward to the introduction. Uh, Yes. Palm Jumeirah is an artificial island which was built on the coast of Dubai by Nakhil Properties. The development started in 2001 and the island officially opened in 2006. The project aim to the main aim of the project was to make Dubai a global tourist destination so that the dependence on oil can be reduced apart from the real estate and hospitality. Now, let's look forward to the challenges. The key challenges that were faced by the engineers in this project were environmental and technical complexity, cost budget overruns, time delays, stakeholder management, and long term maintenance and sustainability. So, we will look forward towards each of the challenges one by one and let's understand it in detail. So, the first challenge is environmental and technical complexity. Building an island changed natural water movement and affected sea life. So basically, this changed the rocks into the sea. This changed the natural water flow and the affected life. Engineers also did not fully predict erosion and sand movement, which caused long term problems. To manage this, modern tools like water flow simulation, environmental sensors can help track the coastline behaves, and for the future these types of projects should always include detailed environmental studies before construction begins so issues can be caught early. Now, looking forward to the second challenge, which is cost overruns and budget management. The second challenge is basically that cost increased because the material prices changed and the design had to be updated, and many contractors made it harder to control spending. The project also did not have enough funds to back up the project development for unexpected problems. To handle this today, the digital cost tracking tools and tighter financial monitoring can help manage spending. And for future projects, the contingency budgets can be made for the better forecast and along with the better forecasting tools, which can prevent overruns and keep financial plans realistic. The next challenge is time delays and scheduling pressure. The third challenge, the original construction timeline was too short for a project. Of weather, sea conditions, and the condition of the tides and the waves, and the coordination with many international teams caused setbacks. Right now, using better scheduling software, improving coordination between teams can help reduce delays. And to prevent this in future projects, managers should also create realistic timelines with built in buffer time to handle the risk like weather or the redesigns. Now, looking forward to the next challenge, which is challenge number four. So, basically, the fourth challenge involves stakeholders. The government, investors, environmental groups, and the residents all had different expectations. Limited communication early in the project caused confusion and concern, especially about environmental effects. To improve this today, the project teams can share regular updates within each other, can schedule meetings, and use transparent reporting tools to keep everyone informed. For future projects, doing stakeholder mapping early and involving key groups from the start can help avoid misunderstandings and build trust. Now, looking forward to the last challenge, which is long term maintenance and sustainability. The final challenge is long term sustainability because the island design restricted water flow and the area experienced water stagnation, algae growth, and erosion. These problems led to high maintenance cost and need for the constant dredging. To manage this today, predictive maintenance systems and sensors can monitor water movement, prevent pollution and erosion. And to prevent similar issues in the future projects, sustainability modeling and lifestyle planning should be done during the early stages of the project development. The last part is conclusion. So basically, what we understand through from the whole PPT is that strong planning and communication among each of the team members and between the project management and also with the stakeholders is very, very necessary in order to prevent the setbacks. This is also necessary so that anyone involved in the project doesn't lose interest during the building of the project or throughout of the project. And we also really need to include modern tools so that they can improve the cost, the timelines, and the sustainability of the project, so that all of the hard work that one has invested into the project does not goes into vain. Also, the future project, the all the projects that are succeeded, in order to fulfill all the projects so that they can be successful, one needs to apply all the techniques that we have discussed in the PPT at the early stages so that it is not too late in order to understand that where the project is lacking behind, and everyone, the managers or the engineers can work over that situation properly, and so that the hassles are avoided. So thank you so much.